Hello friends, welcome to our channel Fundamentals of Engineering. Today we are going to see how to attempt the GATE exam, and for that what is the importance of mathematics and general aptitude subjects for attempting GATE exam. So if you want to crack the GATE exam or you want to qualify the marks for the GATE exam, for that these two subjects, engineering mathematics, or we can say that discrete mathematics and general aptitude, these are very much essential for the qualifying the GATE exam. These are nothing but the rank deciding subjects. You can improve your all India rank by getting these subjects particularly, or solving these subjects by repeatedly. You can get this all India rank very effectively. So why it is important, that we are going to see. So first of all, we know that in GATE exam the total marks we are having, that is 100, and these 100 marks are divided into two categories. One is a engineering mathematics and general aptitude, another is a technical subject. So these 100 marks for the GATE exam, irrespective of any branch, these we are having that nearly about 28 to 30 marks, which is regarding engineering mathematics and general aptitude, and for the technical subjects remaining, that is 70 to 72 marks, which are nothing but technical subjects for every domain. Now we can see the qualifying marks. Based on that, these engineering mathematics and general aptitude, these are very much essential. And if you have seen the previous GATE exam papers, the pattern of questions you can get the similar, and the questions you are getting for the mathematics and general aptitude, these are nothing but the similar type of questions regarding the question pattern. I tell you that questions in GATE exam will not be repeated. Only the pattern of questions will be repeated. So engineering mathematics, what is the syllabus in that? That you are learned from the 11th, 12th into your first year and second year of your undergraduate courses. Same, the general aptitude you are already tried. So these are the subjects will give you the good marks for qualifying. So syllabus is for the engineering mathematics is what? Linear algebra, calculus, then complex variables, probability and statistics, numerical methods. These you are already learned. So you have to practice all these topics. That will not give the 0 mark to that. So you will get the maximum marks or out of marks for this subject. And you can see the general aptitude syllabus, we are having the verbal aptitude. There we are getting the questions regarding the basic English grammar, tenses, articles, verb and noun agreement, basic vocabulary. These are the verbal aptitude questions you will get. Then quantitative aptitude like data interpretation, ratios, percentage, powers you want to calculate, exponent values you want to calculate. These you are getting. In analytical aptitude, you are getting the logical questions, that is numerical relations and reasoning types questions you are getting. And the new concept in the general aptitude section, it is added from the last GATE exam, that is GATE 2021, that is a spatial aptitude. There you are getting the transformation of shapes, translations, rotations, scaling, mirror image, paper folding, paper cutting. For the mirror image and water image, we have already prepared some videos. You can see the link in the description box. And there you are getting sure shot 28 to 30 marks. For the CS, that is computer science, this might be increased the two combinations like 35 marks, and remaining for the technical subject. So why I am saying that the engineering mathematics and general aptitude is very much essential to qualify the GATE exam or to secure the best all India rank. Now you look at this. These are the qualifying cutoff for this paper, that is civil, electrical engineering, computer science, mechanical, electronics and communication engineering, and production and industrial engineering. So there you can see the qualifying marks. These are the cutoffs. So if you are getting these marks, that is define that you are qualified the GATE exam, and beyond that if you are getting the maximum marks, then that will be decide your all India rank with a good number. So now you can see for the civil engineering, I will talk about this general category 29.2, then electrical engineering 30.3, computer science 26.1, mechanical engineering 33, electronics and communication engineering 25, production and industrial engineering 35.7. So we know that 100 marks paper, among that we are having for the aptitude and mathematics nearly about 30 or 32 marks, and remaining, that is nearly about 70 marks for this, 68 or 70 marks. So now you can see only these two subjects, Indian mathematics and general aptitude, contains the marks which can give your qualifying marks. For the civil engineering 29.2, electrical engineering 30.3, then computer science and information technology, you can see the 26 marks, which are less than the 2 marks combination. So you can get the qualifying marks if you study only these two subjects. Now if you want to get the better marks, then you have to study for the technical subject. So how to study, that I will tell you in the next. So these are the paper name where the maximum students are getting or attempting the GATE exam. So for that, if you can get or you can solve these two subjects properly, all the questions considering the negative marks and all these things, then you can get this range qualifying marks, and you can improve that. How will you improve, I will tell you. So these are for these different 6 subjects. Then other subjects, for the other papers you can see the qualifying marks. Then chemical engineering 30.7, aerospace engineering 27.2, then agriculture engineering 26.3. So there you can see the qualifying marks are less than the combination of these two subjects. Then for the geology you can see the 38.4, then metallurgical engineering 49.2. So you can see the 30, and remaining technical subject, physics 37.2, statistics 25. Now 30 marks and remaining 68 to 70 marks. How you will get? Now you can see the different years how these subjects marks are distributed in GATE exam for the civil engineering. So now we are having two subjects. These are the two subjects, general aptitude and engineering mathematics, which can give the maximum marks to the less than or equal to 30 marks. Less than or equal to 30 marks. And now every student, whenever they are attempting for the undergraduate courses, everyone they are having maximum 2 to 3 very good subject, or you can see the important subjects, or they are loving that subject. So that subjects you have to study. So now if suppose for the civil engineering, one of the student is having very good at this geotechnical engineering, then environmental engineering, then you can see the strength of material. So these 3 subjects he has studied in their undergraduate subject very accurately, means their his or her basic is very strong. Then now you can see here geotechnical engineering is for 30 marks, then environmental engineering 12 marks, and strength of material, that is SOM, is for 8 marks. So you can get nearly 33 marks by using combination of these 3 subjects. So here you are having 30 plus this 33. So you will get 63 marks if you study only 5 subjects. If you are only studying 5 subjects very accurately, your basic is very strong, then you will get 63 marks sure shot. If you study other, then these marks will be increased. So you can see the importance of these two subjects. I will tell you about another, that is electrical engineering. For these two subjects 30. Then you can see the any three subjects which are very easy and which are loving subject whenever you are studying for the electrical engineering undergraduate course. Then you can see if anyone is very good at this signal and systems, then power systems and electrical fields and circuits. So now you can see 16 marks, then 11 marks and 8 marks. So now you can see here 40 marks he can get. 40 marks by the technical subjects and 30 marks by the mathematics. So 70 marks he can score if he is very good in the electrical engineering. So he can get the good all India rank here. Now I will tell you about the computer science. We have seen the qualifying marks is only 26 for the 2021 GATE exam, 26.2. This is the qualifying marks, and these two contain more than 26. Now you can see here 8 and 5. Here 33 marks for the 2012. Now you can see the 2020 we are having 30 marks, combination of these 30 marks. Then 2021 30 marks. So more than the qualifying marks that can be covered by using these two subjects. Now we want to improve the all India rank, so you can study the computer organization, design analysis of organism, then programming language. So there you can see you can improve the rank here. You can improve the rank here. So this 30 marks and near about the 30 marks you will get by the technical. So 60 marks will be get. Then talk about the mechanical engineering. Among this I told you that 28 to 30 marks that will be different. So here we are having 2021, we are having 29 marks for these two subjects. And for the general category, the qualifying mark range was 33. So 29. If anyone study very good and understand their basic or clear the basic production engineering, that will be of 16 mark, thermal engineering 10 marks, and he can study or he and she can study the strength of material, that will be of 6 mark, 8 mark, 10 mark. So you can see 26 plus 6 32 and 29. So 61 marks he can get by studying only 5 subjects, and if we study more than these 5 subjects, no doubt the all India rank will get increase, that will get the maximum marks. Then for electronics and communication engineering, so you can see here for the 2021 26 marks, and if we study the EMT subject, communication system subject or network theory, so 36 marks by using these three. So 26 plus 36, 62 marks he or she can achieve for the electronics and communication engineering subject. 62 only studying the 5 subject. So you can see what is the importance of these two subjects in the GATE exam. Got it? So here we have seen what is the importance of the GATE exam, in that engineering mathematics and aptitude, which can get the marks regarding up to the 28 to 30 marks you can get, and that will decide you can easily qualify if you are very good in the mathematics and aptitude, and you can improve your all India rank. You can get the maximum marks in a technical subject if you if you are having the basic clear in that 3 to 4 subject, you can improve your all India rank and you can achieve the good marks. So that we have seen. So hope you are like this video. If you like the concept, stay connected and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Click on bell icon to get more notification. Thank you very much.